Hi, would you like to know how exactly the new year is going to fare for you? How it is going to turn out for you? How your health, wealth, relationship, career, spirituality, what exactly is going to happen in all of these areas? Hi, I am Preeti, and in this video, we are going to see all the different areas based on your sun sign. Means based on your date of birth, you have to select this sign and watch the video for yourself. We are going to check into your health, your money, your love life, relationships, all of that. So make sure that you watch this entire video till the end to get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. So let's get started with your health. Okay, so for your health, we have these two cards which are actually good. Okay, so this card says that you are healthy. Okay, emotionally you are nice and balanced, and staying nice and balanced with your emotions is going to make you healthy. This card says that try to keep your emotions well in control. Keep your emotions in control. Try to follow your heart. Do what you like, do what you really like to do. Okay, yes, so doing that is also going to keep you healthy. So yes, so that is basically how your health is going to turn out. And in general, your health is going to stay normal the more you stay emotionally you stay emotionally stable. Okay, keeping your emotions in check, feeling very very nice and positive emotions, always talking about good emotions is going to help you stay healthy. Okay, let's see what's happening with your wealth. Okay, so this is exactly not a very good card to have. Money will be scarce this year. Money is not going to be that good this year, so you need to be careful with that. There are chances that you may run out of money, you may face money crisis also. Okay, and because of that you may have to take loans, you may have to borrow money from people. Try not to take very hasty decisions when it comes to money. Okay, so if you are just out of impulse, you are spending your money, you may end up with, yes, you may end up with no money at all. But you don't have to do that, right? You have to stay on your grounds. You have to patiently think whether you really want to spend money or not. Anywhere where you be impulsive, where you are very hastily dealing with money, there are chances that you will lose your money. Okay, so don't make hasty decisions. Don't yes, haste makes waste, right? So remember that. Don't be too hasty. Don't rush into things, especially when it's something related to money. Okay, don't take any hasty decisions for your money, for your investments. Okay, so let's see what is happening in your relationships. Okay, what's happening in your relationships? Um, your yes, with people in your family, your friends, your colleagues. How are those relationships going to turn out? So this card says that if you are very very strict with your relationship, okay, you are very strict, you are very stern, you are strict, you appear as if you are always there with a sword. Okay, you can see that this woman is holding a sword. If you are strict like that, if you are very very stern and strict, there are chances that you can lose that relationship. Okay, so don't try to be too stern, too rigid with your relationship. Plus, there are also chances that there are certain relationships which may actually be needed to be dealt like this, where you have to be really strict, but there are chances that you may lose that person from your life. Okay, so this is what you can actually expect this year from your relationship. And let's see what is happening with your love life. Okay, so for your love life, I do feel that there are two things the cards are saying. First thing is you may need some expert advice. And I know that everybody, not every single person goes to a relationship counselor every few years. Nobody does that. But yes, sometimes taking advice from experts in your family, okay, any couple in your family, your parents, your aunt and uncle who have been together for a lot of years, they are also experts about how can you handle a relationship. So you can take their advice if at all you have something in your love life where it's troubling you. This card says that being together with your loved one, okay, spending more time with your partner, going out on a date with your partner is would that would be good for you. That would be good for your relationship, for the future of your relationship. Okay. Let's say if you are a single person, if you are not in a relationship, you're single, you're looking out for people, then yes, the kind of, expert advice, trying to get expert advice, what you can do, etc. So for this, I feel the expert advice would be consulting your friends, your family who actually know you, who will be able to guide you about what kind of person you can select, about what exactly to do so that you can get into a relationship. The next thing you have to do is try to go out and start meeting people, and there are chances that you will end up with somebody with whom you would want to commit in that relationship. Okay, so now let's see. We have what do you have for your career and purpose? So for your career and purpose, we have these two cards which are actually really, really good. Okay, so for your career, if you're already working somewhere, first of all, you may become like a wizard. Okay, you may sound like a wizard, you may become like a wizard in your area because you will show extraordinary expertise in whatever you are doing, whether it's a job or a business or a freelancing, whatever it is. You may seem like a wizard. You may also seem very nicely balanced in doing whatever you do. You will be very nice and balanced. Okay. And yes, so that will be there. You will be nice and balanced. You will be stable emotionally, and you will be constantly able to focus on your work no matter whatever is happening around you, which is definitely again a good thing. Okay, so let's see what is happening next in your spirituality. Okay, so spiritually, we have this card. Okay, so now this card shows that yes, it's the Page of Pentacles. This person is planning to have more money. This person is planning to work hard for money. Okay, so you'll say, okay, but this is the reading about spirituality. What is money doing in this? See, sometimes working on certain things will actually develop you spiritually. So this card says that if you are working, if you are not working, try to work, try to earn money. Okay, trying to earn money, trying to acquire more money is what is going to help you to stay balanced spiritually. People who are spiritual and they are not able to be balanced, money is going to be a very good thing that's going to help them to ground. Okay, so yes, money is going to be really good. Start earning money, start planning how you would like to earn money, and yes, take the control of money area in your hand. That is going to help you to maintain a balance in spirituality. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you guys. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments how did you like this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Until then, oh yeah, share this video with as many people as you can. Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.